Hello everyone, this is Salahuddin. Today I am going to show you how to create a free business email with Hostinger account. So first of all, you need to log in your Hostinger account. Then you can see a left side website section. You need to click here. Then after this, you need to select your domain. I select my domain and click dashboard. You can see you can find one of option manage email. You click here and you can create a new email. I have one email, so I can create new email like info, and also need to put password. So you need to click create and you can see my email is successfully created. So you can open your inbox, and also you can see have many option. If you want design your email, so you need to click setting option. You can see, and also you can find all of option what you need. You can create email signature with this option, and also you can find many option what you need.